not ready yet.
Canned spinach. What is it?
Is it bread?
Is it bread? What is it? How do you call it? Potato?
Apple?
Apple? What's that? What vegetable is that? Corn? Do you like corn?
Cornflakes.
And here? Cats need a bath and brushing to stay healthy.
The scan shows a little stuffing separation inside Fido's leg. My diagnosis is broken leg ptosis. Wrap up Fido's leg to give him support while his stuffing settles back together. You should also put a cone on his head to stop him from licking his leg before he gets fed.
Gee, this way. You gonna make something, no? You gonna make something, hey?